guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you believe that it is 6 o'clock? It has been like this, I don't know for how long. The sun, it is out, it is bright, and it is hot. I don't know, but do you see the sun? Do you see the sun? This is my eye today. Yes, I just woke up. I have like 15 minutes. And it has been like this. I woke up at 5 to 6. Outside has been like, do you see that sun? Do you see that's bright light? So I'm going to charge my phone because I'm going to the mall. And I'm going to record so much so that I can have 2 videos for yesterday and today. So yeah, it's gonna be Vlogmas 12 and 13 too, and I'm gonna do shorts. Today's video is gonna be a lot, okay? So let me get ready. I'm going to take a bath and I'll see you when I'm done. Let's continue. I'm going to use this. First, this perfume. Like, it smells good, like I said. It is starting to grow on me. Literally. This is the type of person I am. If I hate something the first time I smell, eat, or see it, give me a week. Give me a week. At this point, you should know what your gal overdoses everything. On Vlogmas day 12, and then the part where we are at the mall will be on Vlogmas day 13. Guys, yesterday I could not do anything. My eyes and this teeth, I had a headache. I could not blink, I could not speak, I could not eat. I really forced myself to eat because I knew I had allergies. But I think I need Panados because I know when I come back home, a headache will be brewing. I don't have a big bag, like a bigger bag than the one that I have, like that one. Do you see this one? I need a big bag, guys, so that I can have my water, everything. After I get a big bag, a bigger bag, not it sounds weird when I say big bag. I'm gonna do, like, let's just pack my bag with me, or what's in my bag. I have an emergency kit, perfumes, body mists, sanitizer, and all of those things. So that video will be maybe next year. I'm gonna be making trendy videos next year. Most of my videos will be trendy videos because we want to get monetized, babes. What I've noticed is that I love doing hygiene shopping, hauls, skincare. Like, I get more ideas on how to edit that video than the day in the life videos, even though that is the day in the life come hygiene shopping with me. but like that category, beauty, skincare, healthcare, those are the videos that I'm gonna start doing. And we're gonna do homemade things, a lot of things, like I've been thinking, and the content is galore. I won't be posting every day like right now on VLOGMAS. I love to plan my videos. I love a red lip gloss compared to a red lipstick. I don't know why. I love me some red lip gloss. This can, when I catch you, I'm gonna use like, do you see this amount for it to shine. I really need a clear gloss, guys. Clear red. Those are my things. Those are my things. And I love the clear lip gloss that I made myself. Oh my god, that lip gloss was the best. It was the best, honestly. Not because it was my stuff, but I tested it. After I made it, I was like, I'm gonna make my lips chapped, dry, and everything. And within 2 days, my lips were healed, and you will see. So, if you want me to make them for you, comment down below. If you want them for your business, comment down below. So, this is my lip combo. But this one, I'm not a fan. I love my lip gloss. It's the one that I made myself. They are so much better and they last longer compared to this one. This one, I got the vitamin E because when I got this, my lips were chapped so bad. They were bleeding. So I was like, I need something that has vitamin E to help me heal. And it did what it was supposed to do. And after that, it just made my lips dry and it doesn't last long. Like, it doesn't last long. I'm used to a lip gloss that even when it's not there, your lips are still moisturized, hydrated. I'm used to that. But yeah, that is it. We are done. And I'm gonna be a makeup girly, but like the bare minimum. This is the type of makeup I wanna do. And yeah, I hope you're ready for all of this content, learning how to do makeup, skincare, DIY, Tontonis. Please subscribe. Oh, I did not say subscribe today on this video, and you haven't. I know you haven't subscribed. Oh my god. So don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you know when I post. No, that doesn't sound right. Press that like button, subscribe. Wait, subscribe, press that like button. What? Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And yes, just do that. That's all I need from you. And comment. That is the most important thing that I need from you for us to build a relationship. Okay, so let's get into this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm joking. Today on part 2 on VLOGMAS day 13. This was day 12. So bye.